Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for Facebook lead ads lead. So I am running a real estate agency and I have listed my properties on Facebook page and I'm promoting that through Facebook lead ads. Now what I want to do is that as I'm going to receive a new lead for the listed property through Facebook lead ads, that automatically by using my lead detail, I want to automatically create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing. So for setting up this automation and this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for Facebook lead ads lead. So suppose I'm a real estate agent and I run Facebook lead ads to capture lead interested in property listings. So each lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads should automatically be created as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So this will enable me to send tailored property updates and newsletters to my lead. So here I have this Facebook page that is named as Prime Properties, and I'm running a real estate agency where I have multiple agents and all the agents are listing their properties and running ad campaigns on this particular page. Now through Facebook lead ads, I'm receiving a lot of new leads for the listed properties, and now what I want to do is I want to automatically use all the detail of those leads and I want to add those leads as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So here I want all this to happen automatically, and for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to set up an automated system between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing. So for doing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing without any coding and programming skills. So here for setting up this automation, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for Facebook lead ads lead. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I need to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I'm going to click on Continue to give access to my account, so I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have these two tabs of page and the lead gen form. So first I need to select my page, and for this let me take you to my Facebook account. And here this is my Facebook page that is named as Prime Properties, and this is the page where I'm running my ad campaign. So I'm going to use this particular Facebook page in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect, and I need to open this tab. And here in this tab I will find all the Facebook pages that I have on my Facebook account, and I can select the particular page that I want to use. So I'm going to select this page of Prime Properties. And now I need to select my lead gen form. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the forms that I have created for my page, and you can select any particular form that you want to use. Here I'm going to select all lead gen forms for getting all the lead details from my Facebook page. So I'm going to select that. And now here I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here what you need to do is you need to make sure that your form is live and the ad campaign that you are running is running live, and as you will get the new form submission through that form, then automatically you will get that lead detail here in Pabbly Connect. So here right now I'm not running any ad campaign on my Facebook lead ads account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a sample submission. So for that I need to first click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting the webhook response, I need to generate a new lead and I need to submit my lead gen form. So here I'm going to generate a sample submission, and for that I need to use Metaphor Developer. But if you have a live campaign running on your Facebook lead ads account, then automatically you will receive the new lead detail here in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Metaphor Developer, and here I need to go to resources and I need to go to developer tools. So I'm going to open that. Now here I need to go to lead ads RTU debug tool. So this is going to be my tool that I'm going to use for generating the sample submission. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see I have these two tabs of page and form. So again I'm going to select my page. So I need to open this tab. And here this is my page of Prime Properties. So I'm going to select this. And now my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on preview form button, and after clicking here I will get my lead gen form, and I need to fill that form with dummy details so that I can create a new form submission and I can generate a new lead. So I'm going to do that. And here we can see this is my form that I created. Now what I need to do is I need to fill this form with the dummy detail. So here I need to first select the type of property that I'm interested in. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select this option of rental property, and now I'm going to give my contact detail. So first I have to give the first name, that is going to be Michael. Last name is going to be Karras. Email will be michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And now I have to give the street address, that is going to be 36 Old Street. I'm going to give the city, that is going to be Bhopal. My state will be Madhya Pradesh. And I'm going to give the zip code. So I'm going to give a random zip code. And now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on continue. And I'm going to click on submit. Now here I have submitted my form. So I have created a new lead. Now to check whether I have sent the detail of this lead to Pabbly Connect or not, let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So here I have received all these details of the form submission that I have just created in my lead gen form for my new lead. So here I have the property that my lead is interested in, that is rental property. I have the first name, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karras. Email is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my lead. I have the street address, that is 36 Old Street. I have the city, that is Bhopal. I have the state, that is Madhya Pradesh. And I have the zip code. So here we can see I have received all these details of my lead that I have filled in my lead gen form in Facebook lead ads. And as I've generated a new lead, I have received all the detail of that lead from Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. Now that as I've received all the detail of my lead through Facebook lead ads, now what I need to do is I want to use this Facebook lead, and I want to use this Facebook lead to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So for creating a new subscriber, I need to set up my actions tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Pabbly email marketing. And I need to select Pabbly email marketing here. Now I have to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and add subscriber will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So for getting this token, what I need to do is I need to first log into my Pabbly email marketing account, and then I need to navigate to integration, where I will have to click on developer API, and I will get the bearer token that I can use as a token to connect Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my account of Pabbly email marketing. Here I will go to integrations, and in integrations I need to go to developer API, and in developer API I have this option of bearer token. So I'm going to first regenerate this bearer token, and now I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now I have added my token, so I'm going to click on save. And here I've connected Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect. Now first, for creating a subscriber, I need to select my list where I want to add my subscriber. So I'm going to again take you to Pabbly email marketing. I will go to subscribers. And here I'm going to use this particular list of Facebook lead ads lead. So this is going to be my list where I want to create subscriber for the Facebook leads. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. I'm going to select my list. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this list of Facebook lead ads lead. So I'm going to select that. And now for creating a subscriber, I need to give the email and the name of my subscriber. So here I'm going to use the name of my lead that I've received through Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to use the response of my previous tab of Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to use all the detail of my Facebook lead, and by using those details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So from my previous tab, I have to use my response, and I need to map that here in this tab. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the email address of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the name, so I need to click here. I will again open this response of Facebook lead ads. I'm going to first map the first name, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Now here I have filled the required details. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new detail of a lead from my response of Facebook lead ads, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail, and I will create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing with the new Facebook lead. Now I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So here I have the status of success, and I have updated my list successfully with the one subscriber. So to check whether I've created a new subscriber with my Facebook lead or not, let me take you to Pabbly email marketing. I'm going to refresh this page. I'm going to go to my list of Facebook lead ads lead. And here we can see I've created this new subscriber that has the email of michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com, and I have the name of my subscriber, that is Michael Karras. So here we can see that this was my lead name that I've created by creating a form submission of my lead ad form in Facebook lead ads, and automatically by using all the detail of my lead, I have successfully created a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So here I have done this automatically just by creating a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing, and I've created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I have successfully created this automation, and now every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my real estate business, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing so that I can send some follow-up emails and new property details and newsletters to all my leads. Now here I have successfully created this automation, so let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with the help of Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing to automatically create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for Facebook lead ads lead. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Pabbly email marketing, and my action event was add subscribers. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link, And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.